Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever wanted to make your Google Sheets look more interactive and visually track your progress at a glance, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to create eye-catching progress bars in Google Sheets. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to turn simple numbers like your percentage complete into colorful, easy-to-read progress bars perfect for all kinds of projects, to-dos, or goal tracking. Alright, let's jump right in. Imagine you're working on a project with several tasks. In our example, we have a few tasks listed, things like write report, collect data, analyze feedback, and so on. Next to each task, we have a percentage complete, such as 80%, 60%, 40%, and so on. This is super common if you're managing a project, tracking student progress, or just keeping tabs on steps for a personal goal. But just looking at a column of percentages isn't always the most motivating or the easiest to scan. That's where progress bars come in. Instead of just seeing numbers, you'll get a nice colored bar that instantly communicates how far along you are. So here's what you need to do. First, make sure your Google Sheet is set up with your tasks in one column, let's say column A, and your percentage completed in the next column, column B. It's really important that the percentages in column B are represented as decimals, not as text with the percent sign. So 80% becomes 0.8, 60% is 0.6, and so on. If you have them as whole numbers or with percent signs, just divide by 100 or format accordingly. Don't worry if your sheet looks a little different, the exact steps will still work. Now move over to the next column. This will be where our progress bars appear. Click on the first cell where you want the progress bar to show up. Let's say it's cell C2, right next to the first percentage. Type in this formula exactly as I say it. Equals sparkline B2, chart type bar max 1 color 1 green. Let's break down what's going on here just so you aren't copying and pasting blindly. The sparkline function is a neat tool in Google Sheets that can draw many charts right inside a cell. We're telling it to use the value in B2, which is our completion percentage, as the data for the chart. The chart type set to bar means we want a horizontal bar, which looks just like a classic progress bar. The max is set to 1 so that it knows our numbers are decimal fractions out of 1, or out of 100%. And finally, we're making that bar green so it really pops, but you can change that color if you want. After you enter that formula in the first cell, here comes the fun part. You'll want to drag that formula down to fill all the other cells in the progress bar column. Just click on the small blue square at the bottom right corner of the first cell with the formula and drag it down to cover the rest of your tasks. Google Sheets will automatically adjust the formula for each row, so each progress bar will match the percentage for that task. And that's it, just like that, you have live progress bars in your spreadsheet. They'll update automatically if you change your percentages, so whenever you make progress you can see it instantly visually. This not only makes your sheets look more professional, but can actually help you and your team stay motivated. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I'd love to hear how you plan to use progress bars in your own projects, so drop a comment down below if you have any questions or just want to share your ideas. And if you want more step-by-step Google Sheets tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.